My name is Ankur Verma. I am from AlfaTech Services Pvt Limited, and we are primarily dealing in these three domains, namely materials characterization, environmental monitoring, and atmospheric research. And these are the systems that are on display at the exhibition here at IIM-ATM 2022. So we are primarily focusing on the entire spectrum of materials characterization, focusing on microscopy. So we are into confocal, X-ray, electron, and even Raman microscopy. So basically, we have tie-ups with multiple partners all over the world, and thanks to that, we also have systems here in India. So it's a privilege to be a part of IIM-ATM this time, organized by DMRL, and we hope to have a great conference. Thank you so much.